Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in essentials, 3 top priorities and the timer method you will use. Once decided, clear your workspace and place water within reach. This reduces interruptions. Begin with the smallest priority first to build momentum, then shift to the hardest task while energy is high. Make sure to set a visible timer and silence non-urgent notifications. This prevents context switching. Doing these steps creates immediate structure and gives you a tangible starting point to measure progress. You now enter focused execution, begin the first deep block and commit fully. Once done, take a short, purposeful break to reset, stand, hydrate, move for 3-5 minutes, and then return for another block. Make sure to batch related tasks, because grouping similar work reduces the cognitive cost of switching. Use quick markers like checkboxes or half-hour logs to track momentum. This visual feedback maintains discipline and shows how small wins accumulate into substantial progress by midday. You finish by doing a concise review. List completed items and transfer unfinished ones to tomorrow. Once done, pick one achievable win for the next morning and set one simple prep task, lay out materials or draft a start sentence, so you can begin without friction. Make sure to include a short recovery routine. Stretch, breathe, and disconnect screens 30-60 minutes before sleep. If things go wrong, use a brief 10-minute reset activity, walk, declutter, or free-write to break the logjam and regain momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.